Are you ready to do something about your life and start living that life that you desire? I'm not talking about doing anything radical. I'm talking about 1 year, 5 years, 10 years from now. Where do you want to be? And what have you been doing to change your life to make sure that you're earning the kind of money that you desire, but you're loving what you do? You see, I learned 5 years ago that my investment banking position was not leading me to the place I wanted to be. And I quit everything and went after my dreams, and I used technology to do it. You see, I saw that technology was creating opportunities for people like you and I. Where do you want to be next year? 5 years, 10 years? Do you want to be in the same job, listening to the people out there that tell you you shouldn't go after those dreams and it's irresponsible? This is not radical. You can learn real skills online to create an online business. I did it. I quit after 25 years, a company that I owned, and I went after my dreams of being a writer. I became a best-selling, award-winning author. I have a television movie, several more books, and I went after my dreams of having an online business where I could travel anywhere. I'm also a YouTube influencer, something I never imagined, helping change people's lives. And you can do the same thing. Bring value to yourself and other people. And we can teach you how with this system. If you click somewhere here on the screen or below, you can get a free workshop series showing you how people can make money online if you don't have products or services or business experience. That's what you'll learn. You'll learn how to create a life you love, not just chasing more money. Are you ready to make that change? Because our planet is changing in big ways. Are you ready for that? And the best part is you will be with like-minded people, people that are bucking the system and saying, I need new skills to get out of my position. I need to control my life, my income, and my freedom. A like-minded community that cares about quality of life, not just chasing another dollar online selling stuff. Would you like to join us? Click somewhere here on the screen or below, and you'll get a free workshop series that explains how people are doing this. This is a serious system, and you'll learn the kind of skills that are relevant to the 21st century. And we'll show you how you can do anything with them. Knowledge is power. It's changed my life, and I know it can change yours. I'll be there to greet you. I'm actually going to personally mentor you when you come on board, but most of all, you'll have a highly qualified, successful team showing you how to do it with trainers, mentors, step-by-step modules, recordings, and an amazing community. You'll have all the support you need, people that are bucking the system like you who are ready to go after that life and step outside that matrix. It's possible. Come join me. I look forward to seeing you on the other side.